Relief and rescue operations are on in the flood-hit areas of Jammu region. Indian Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police, CRPF and all government agencies are working in close coordination to provide all kinds of assistance to the people who have been affected by the recent floods. Right now I am standing on the banks of the Tavi River here in Jammu city. Remember, on Tuesday, there was a massive damage to a major portion of this bridge due to the floods. Tavi River was flowing above the danger mark on Tuesday, and as a result of that, this bridge suffered a massive damage. You can see the extent of the damage that has taken place here, and as a result of this bridge has been closed for vehicular movement, and it has created problems for the commuters here in Jammu city. There are reports of massive traffic jams in many areas of Jammu city because bridge number 4 on Tavi River has got damaged. It has been closed for vehicular movement. Now, Indian Army has reached here and the engineers belonging to the Indian Army are now constructing this temporary Bailey Bridge on this damaged bridge of the Tavi River. You can see that the engineers of the Indian Army and other Indian Army personnel are here. They are trying their level best to construct this temporary bridge over Tavi River so that people here can get some relief. Because as I said, that there are massive traffic jams in Jammu city because this bridge has been closed for vehicular movement. This bridge, 4th bridge on Tavi River. Now this temporary Bailey Bridge is being built, and by evening, that's what our sources are telling us, that by evening the work on this bridge will be completed, and later in the evening this bridge will be thrown open for the vehicular movement. This will ease the traffic problems in Jammu city. Bridge number 4 over Tavi River was an important bridge. It connects one part of the city with the another part of Jammu city. There are 4 bridges over Tavi River in Jammu city. This is one of the important bridges, bridge number 4, but it got damaged due to the recent floods, and since then vehicular movement has been stopped. And now Indian Army is here. Engineers belonging to the Indian Army are working on war footing to construct this temporary Bailey Bridge. This bridge will be built on this damaged portion and the vehicular movement will be restored by evening. So you can see that Indian Army is always at the forefront when it comes to serving the nation. Whether it's fighting the enemies, whether it's war against terror, whether it's protecting nation's territorial integrity, Indian Army is always at the forefront. And even during the times of natural calamities like floods, earthquakes, Indian Army plays an important role when it comes to rescuing people, when it comes to providing relief material to the people. And in the recent days, we have seen that how Indian Army has been at the forefront when it comes to rescuing people from the flood-hit areas. Indian Army has evacuated many people who were stranded in flood waters. And now Indian Army is here to improve the infrastructure in Jammu city. There has been massive damage to the infrastructure in Jammu city, and that is why now Indian Army has been roped in to construct this temporary Bailey Bridge over Tavi River. Indian Army holds expertise in building these bridges, and they have demonstrated this capability many times. Even recently, during the cloudburst incident at Chishoti village in Kishtwar, there was massive damage to the local bridge there, and Indian Army within hours built a Bailey Bridge over that Nala. Here also in Jammu city, right now you can see that this Bailey Bridge is being constructed over Tavi River, and by evening vehicular movement will be restored. So it's a demonstration of Indian Army's capability that even during the times of natural calamities, even during the times of floods and earthquakes, Indian Army personnel are at the forefront when it comes to providing relief to the people. and even the infrastructure that has got damaged here. Infrastructure has faced massive damage here in Jammu city. So Indian Army is helping the J&K administration to provide temporary relief to the people here in Jammu city. This bridge, as I said, is an important bridge over Tavi River. It has got damaged. It has been closed for vehicular movement, and now Indian Army is constructing this temporary Bailey bridge so that there could be ease in the traffic problems in Jammu city. With video journalist Iraj Kumar, this is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.